Hey guys, today I'm going to do another vegan one. Some potatoes with black beans. So let's get toasting. I cut up 2 russet potatoes and left the skin on. Now I'm just going to put just a little bit of olive oil on them. Mainly just so they won't stick to the pan. Maybe a half a tablespoon or so. And a little bit of salt. And a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. And kind of mix these up, mix that up. Then I'll get that in the toaster oven, and when those are done, I'm going to top them with some of these seasoned black beans. I set the oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll just keep an eye on those. I have a few homegrown tomatoes in my produce pile here, so I'm going to cut one of those up along with some of this avocado. It's been about 40 minutes, so let me check on these potatoes. I think those are done. I'm going to get those out of there. Now I'll just add some of these black beans here. Let's see how this looks. I'm thinking about half the can be about right. Boy, that's sizzling. I don't even know if I'll have to put this back in the oven. Maybe just for a few minutes. Okay, that's about half the can. Boy, they're bubbling away. I'm just going to let that sit for a minute and see how much it warms up. I may not even have to put it back in the oven. Well, this looks good. I didn't even have to put the beans back in the oven because the cast iron pan holds the heat so well that they just warmed right up. Let me try a bite of this. This is good. These black beans are good. They go well with the potatoes. Just one thing it needs, a little bit of hot sauce, and I'll be set. Hope you guys will give this a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.